ওয়েলকাম টু একিস কিচেন। আজকে কি রান্না হচ্ছে? আজকে রান্না হচ্ছে সরিষ বাটা মাছের ঝোল রোহু মাছের সঙ্গে। Why I'm talking in Bengali? Because it's a Bengali dish. So I'm gonna make sorish bata macher jhol, which is a typical Bengali dish. Primary ingredient being mustard and mustard oil, of course, and then other ingredients are there. Come, let's make sorish bata macher jhol rohu macher sange. So what have I got for macher jhol? Sorish bata macher jhol. Of course, the rohu fish, around 1 kilo plus. I got whole mustard, whole black pepper, whole coriander and whole jeera. This is all for grinding. I got some garlic, 10-12 garlic, around 1.5 inch of ginger and some green chili. I got some turmeric powder, chili powder and some more mustard for cracking it in the oil, and of course the mustard oil, which will be the oil for frying the fish first and also cooking. So first I have to grind these ingredients along with ginger, garlic and green chili. So this is the oil I'm going to use. So this is ground paste of mustard, then coriander, jeera, garlic, ginger and some black pepper, all ground together, and I'll be taking around 1.5 spoon of this with some red chili and some turmeric and marinating the fish to fry. See, my fish is nicely marinated, very well. I've added some salt also, which I forgot to mention. Salt, without salt we cannot cook. Now my pan is up. I'll put some mustard oil and fry this fish first. আমি এখন কি করছি, ফিশটা ম্যারিনেট করে রেখে দিয়েছি আর প্যানে সরিষ তেলটা গরম হচ্ছে। গরম হবার পরে আমরা ওই ফিশটাকে ফ্রাই করে তুলে নেব আর তারপরে বানাবো সরিষ বাটা মাছের ঝোল। সরিষ বাটা হয়ে গেছে, বাটিতে বাটা করে নিই, মিক্সিতে করেছি। So my fish is fried. Now you can see with this oil. Can you see this thing? This is my oil to start cooking my sorish bata macher jhol. That is mustard, grinded mustard, fish gravy and mustard oil. Lulu virgin mustard oil. Okay, there you go. Let's start the cooking now. Fish is fried. We will start cooking the gravy and the final touch of this. My fried fish with the fish head, of course. Now what all I got left is the mustard seed, which will be cracked in mustard oil, the ground paste and some turmeric and red chili, fried fish, tomato finely chopped, coriander leaves, and the pan is getting heated up. I've taken some of the oil which was used for frying, and then I'll be using around 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can hear the mustard cracking. Almost all the mustards are cracked up. So now I'll drop this chili powder and turmeric powder and mix it very nicely till it's slightly cooked. It's nicely mixed. Colors are already in and nicely fried. Now I'll drop in the tomato and always the thing is, when you cook tomato, put little salt. Salt makes tomato cook faster. Tomato is nicely cooked. Now time to add some water. So water is added, and here comes AK's kitchen twist onto the dish, that is add some yogurt. This is AK's Kitchen Twist, okay? This is not there in the standard recipe. This is AK's own improvisation. So gives a little flavor of the yogurt with the mustard. So let it boil for 5 minutes and then drop the fishes and cook it for 5-10 minutes, and your Shorish Bata Machar Shol is ready to serve. All fried fishes are gone inside, coriander leaves are there. So let it boil for 5-10 minutes and then it's ready to plated and consumed with some white rice which is getting cooked over there. So there goes Shorish Bata Machar Shol. Hope you watched my video Shorish Bata Machar Shol. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon there and get update on my latest posts. Like, share and subscribe. Please let AK's Kitchen be seen all over there.